Hello, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're going over a multi-part series on how to use Zoom. In this series, we're going over Zoom basics, some advanced Zoom features, and how to use Zoom to run a successful meeting or webinar. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to run a Zoom meeting. What you'll need to run a Zoom meeting is a Zoom Pro license and 2 to 3 people. You can do this with 2 people, but 3 people is recommended. Then next, you're going to want to assign the roles. You're going to have one person be the speaker, and you have 2 people be the moderators, or as Zoom calls them, co-hosts. Next, we're going to talk about what these roles do. A speaker is the person who presents the content, answers the questions of the participants, and runs the meeting, and is generally the face of the meeting. This is the person that you don't want to necessarily be running the actual questions or adding people to the meeting, because you want them to be focused on presenting the content and not need to worry about any other else. The next person is going to be Mod 1, who's going to be focused on the Zoom room. They'll be adding people to the room, fielding questions in the Zoom room, and they watch for inappropriate behavior and generally just help out the speaker to help them stay focused on the actual meeting. Person 2 is going to be more social platforms focused. So if you're running this Zoom meeting live on any other social platforms, they can be watching for questions on those platforms and bringing those to the speaker as well. Additionally, if Mod 1 gets overloaded, they can assist with crowd control in the actual Zoom room as well. Let's go over some of the controls a co-host might use in a Zoom meeting. A co-host is going to be primarily focused on the participants window over here. You can see if I click on this More button, I can chat directly with the user. I can ask them to start the video if their video is off. I can rename the user. I can put them in the waiting room. I can also remove or port that user as well. Additionally, I can invite someone to the channel. I can mute all participants in the channel, and I have a couple more options I can do here. I can ask everyone to unmute. I can mute participants upon entry, and then you can see there's a couple other features that I can use here that's really useful for a co-host to have while helping you moderate your meeting. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, you can check out my other videos for other great tips and tricks on how to use Zoom.